Hi, I'm Mike Peterson. I'm here with Knobstopper, our newest addition, the custom kit. I'm going to show you all the pieces that come in the custom kit that will accommodate a grill, an RV, or a home. So what I'm going to do is show you all the pieces that will come. It will come with 3 bars. It'll come with 2 15-inch bars and a 7-inch bar. And you connect them and have 2 bar connectors that actually slide in. You tap the bars together, and it also has 2 hoses that have 2 screws that locks the bar in place, and you're good to go. So you'll be able to build your own custom knob stopper, and you can even cut it the length that you want if you want to special cut your bar if you have a special one. But normally them sizes will fit most everything you need to fit. So your bars will come with 10 slides. Your slides look like this. You can take them on or add or whatever you need to do, but the slides are like this, and they will be adjusted with a set screw to wherever your knobs are. It'll have 2 slide feet. The slide feet are really cool. They just slide on the bar, and then you can take them down there if you want to put them in the middle, on the ends, wherever you have a space that will attach that. You can put the slides wherever you want. You get to choose between 2 locking methods. The magnet will attach to there with a magnet, so it just stays on there. And also has this bracket. If you want to actually put the bracket on there, it'll keep it from being knocked off like a dog or something like that. But if you have little kids that are coming over here yanking it off, playing with it, you probably want to go with the clip bracket. Clip bracket will have 3M VHB tape. It'll actually slide in here like this, lock, and you actually got to push in on the sides and lift at the same time. It's a little more difficult for a kid, but an adult, you'll be okay. You'll be able to unlock it and get the knob stopper off. It'll come with 2 end caps. Once everything's built, you'll just hammer these in. It'll complete the bar. And like I say, have an Allen wrench. Has your lock nuts to once you get the depth of your knob, this lock nut will back spin and lock it in place. So let's go over here to the grill. As you can see, I've got all these lined up. It's on the grill, looks good. If you look on this side, it's the magnet. The magnet just sits there, slides on and off, no problem. And like I said, you can also use just the bracket part. If you want to come in here, set that in there like that, and that way you just slide it up and down. You can't get it off by knocking it. It's up to you. And this is the clip bracket. Like I said, you've got to physically come in here, push them in, release it, and it comes back out. Then when you want to go, lock. Just like that. It's that simple, that easy. I think you're going to love this. It's a great Father's Day gift. There's nothing out there like it. It's real exciting. Like I said, when you go out to your grill, you see that, you know you're locked, you didn't accidentally leave it on or anything like that. And build your own. You'll get a kick out of it, and I think you'll love it, and hope you enjoy it. Appreciate your business.